welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a crucial decision for students interested in commerce and finance. BCom versus B.Voc in accounting and finance. We've already done a video about BCom and B.Voc. Let's break down the differences to help you choose the right path. First off, let's talk about the program focus. BCom is a traditional academic degree that covers a wide range of commerce subjects, including accounting, finance, economics, and business law. The focus here is more on theoretical knowledge, which prepares you for various fields like banking, finance, and management. B.Voc in accounting and finance is a vocational degree aimed at practical skills and hands-on training to make you job-ready with industry-relevant skills. While it includes accounting and finance topics, the emphasis is on application through internships and project work. Next up, let's look at the curriculum structure. BCom is a traditional academic setup that emphasizes theoretical learning with some practical elements like case studies. B.Voc program incorporates more practical components, including practical learning. It's designed to meet the immediate demands of the industry. Now let's talk about industry readiness and employability. BCom graduates often need further education or certifications like a CA or MBA to specialize and boost employability. While it provides a strong foundation, many roles may require additional qualifications. B.Voc graduates focus on practical skills, and B.Voc graduates are job-ready upon graduation. They are equipped to jump straight into roles in accounting, finance, and more often benefiting from industry partnerships that enhance employability. And also, they can go for further studies like MBA, MCom, and so on. Next is duration and flexibility. BCom is typically a 3-year degree with a structured academic path, leaving less room for vocational skills or part-time work during the course. B.Voc is also a 3-year program, but it's more flexible. It follows a modular structure, allowing students to exit with a diploma or advanced diploma after the first or second years, making it easier to gain immediate employment. Let's discuss further studies. BCom graduates can easily pursue higher education options like MCom, MBA, CA, CFA, and more. In B.Voc, while further studies are possible, they are primarily focused on employment. Finally, let's talk about recognition and scope. BCom degree is well recognized and accepted across industries for various roles, providing a broader scope for career opportunities and higher education. Although B.Voc is a relatively new program, it is recognized for its focus on employability. Although it may have narrower academic recognition, it is highly valued by companies looking for skilled professionals. So, to sum it all up, BCom is ideal for those seeking a broad academic foundation in commerce with options for higher education and various career paths. B.Voc in accounting and finance is tailored for those looking to specialize early and enter the workforce quickly with practical skills. Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya offers both BCom and B.Voc with professional courses like ACCA. Lakshya also provides other commercial courses such as CA, CMA, CS, CPA, and so on. So, what do you think? Which program aligns with your career goals? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.